There are people that are emotionally traumatized and can never recover. Why not? Because Allah hasn't tied up their heart. Allah hasn't done that. We as human beings don't have the ability to emotionally recover sometimes, but we're learning in this ayah that Allah has the ability to let us heal and move on. Allah, you could say to yourself, I don't have the emotional capability of forgiving you. But Allah says, I'll tie your heart and I'll give you that ability. You can say in your heart, I'm too damaged by what happened, there's no way I can move on with my life. But Iman, faith in Allah, is enough for you to be able to move on with your life. لَوْلَا أَرَّبَطْنَا عَلَى قَلْبِهَا. Had we not tied up her heart. Whatever emotional trauma you're going through, know that Allah can intervene and give you peace of mind, peace of heart. And He can give you tranquility again. Whether it's anxiety, fear, whether it's grief, whatever thing has happened that's scarred you, that's left you scarred, Allah can remove that scar entirely.